What's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm present with another latest update of Hedera Hashgraph. What's the current price of Hedera Hashgraph? What's the price in token Hedera Hashgraph? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Just start this video, but please subscribe now, my friends. My friends, the latest price of each bar Hedera Hashgraph is 0.209999 and so on 9. That is the currently price of the Hedera Hashgraph in a USD dollar. And if you look at the BTC price of Hedera Hashgraph, so the Bitcoin price of Hedera Hashgraph is 0.000538 is the BTC price of Bitcoin price of Hedera Hashgraph. The market cap 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of Hedera Hashgraph. Every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. You can easily read out these updates, my friends, if you want. And my friends, I feel like the price changes of the Hedera Hashgraph, so you know what, I really appreciate this time Hedera Hashgraph for investment, my friends. I really love Hedera Hashgraph on this time, my friends. You know what, my friends, when the price is positive, so I love this coin. And when I found the price is negative, so I hate this coin, my friends. Anyways, that's just a joking. Keep watch, my friends. At this time, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 24 hours pricing is positive, last 1 weekend pricing is positive. So that's mean that Hedera Hashgraph is in the pumping mode, my friends. You know what, my friends, the good news is that Hedera Hashgraph will take a huge pump in the end of this month. In the end of this month, they will take a huge pump. That is just a beginning. So that is why, my friends, that is why I recommend for everyone to please hold Hedera Hashgraph to the last of this month, my friends. Please try to understand, hold to the last of this month, my friends. At this time also the changes is going good, so it's a profit time, my friends. Hold and make a good amount of profit with the Hedera Hashgraph, my friends. So you know what, my friends, how do you feel today about Hedera Hashgraph? Please tell me in the comment box. And personally, I'm feeling very good about Hedera Hashgraph. In my prediction is also going positive about Hedera Hashgraph. I believe that they will take a huge pump in the end of this month, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Tell me in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.